Hey guys, did you know that you can actually use a Bluetooth mouse with your Android phone? Now, to do that, it's pretty simple. First of all, you want to make sure that you have a Bluetooth mouse. So here I have a Bluetooth and 2.4G mouse. If you look at the back of it, it says wireless mouse, BT for Bluetooth off, and 2.4G. And it says 2.4G and BT. And the cool feature I really like about this particular mouse is, as you can see, the USB dongle actually gets tucked into the mouse itself so that you don't lose it when you're not using it. I think that's pretty neat. Next, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth mouse is in Bluetooth mode. Once you have your mouse in Bluetooth mode, you're going to turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can scroll up to go to your apps, and then scroll over and go to settings, and then go to connections and Bluetooth. So that's one way, but there's a much easier way to do this. Swipe down from the top of the screen, and then go to Bluetooth. To turn it on, flip the switch to the right, and wait for it to scan. So it shows you a list of your paired devices, and then under available devices, I now have BT 5.1 mouse, which is my mouse. So I'm going to connect to that. To connect to it, click on it. Bluetooth pairing request, pair with BT 5.1 mouse. Click pair. Now, if you flip your mouse over, as you can see, I now have a mouse on screen, which is honestly pretty cool. So you can scroll. Right now it's going sideways. If you click on the screen and then scroll up, over, you can access your pages. Oops. There we go. You can go to your recents button, you can go to your home button, you can go to the back button. You can pull up your menu by going to the top of the screen and scrolling down. If you go to the bottom of the screen and scroll up, you can open your apps. And if you go into an app, you can click on stuff. And you can scroll. My mouse has a scroll wheel, so I'm going to use that. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.